for joining us.
You got walls and a roof.
Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you with us, all old and new subscribers. Today is our second day in Da Nang and we're going to take a little walk around the city itself. So it's a bit of the sights and sounds of Da Nang as we see it. We started off today at Han Market, which is right in the center of Da Nang, and I'm telling you guys, it's got everything. There will be some vocals along the way, so you'll hear kind of things what's going on. Otherwise, we'll catch you as we go. Enjoy the video. It's a bit of street art for you. It's the magic noodles. That's really cool. So here it is, folks. This is Dragon Bridge here in Da Nang on the river something, because I don't know what it's called. So there you go. It's very, very impressive. It's very nice here. Okay. This is amazing, all this art, sculptures. Very, very nicely maintained, this place. Dragon Bridge in all its glory. So looking in the other direction is the other bridge. Looks like it's got a bit of a pineapple on the top kind of look. So I'm not sure what that bridge is. I'll maybe try and find out for you. So after a bit of walking, we decided we'd take a stop at a coffee shop here and grab ourselves a coffee. We're going to try something completely new this time. So every coffee shop we went to, we would try a new Vietnamese coffee. All right, well, here we have it. This one is a salted coffee. And this one is an egg coffee, which I'm going to try for the very first time. Right, so I'm going to show you this egg coffee thing here. Never had one before, but it's a Vietnamese thing. I don't know how to hold one bloody hand and show you what I'm doing. I'm going to mix it in, and then hold on. Put that in there. All right, here we go. There. Here we go, guys. Egg coffee, Da Nang style. Wow, that's gorgeous. You can taste the egg in it. Yeah, you can taste the egg in it, but it's really, the egg's kind of like an aftertaste. Really, I find the coffees here a bit like desserts. They taste more like desserts, but that's the egg coffee. This is an iced one. You can also get the hot ones, but I went for iced due to the weather conditions. What do you think? Yeah, we're trying different coffees we've never tried before. Makes sense. Good? Different, eh? It's like a dessert.
Yeah. But not as much ice as yesterday.
No, there's loads. Okay, that's it. Egg coffee. And this is the famous pink church that I believe it might open in a few minutes. We shall see. So here we have, actually do that's probably better. This is the pink church or whatever, I'm not quite sure. But there it is. It's pretty cool. So after a bit of a walk around the city, we decided to have a little banh mi lunch at a very quaint cafe along the street. Wonderful, wonderful place. There is the Citadel gate, which we're going to try and get closer to and see. This is the Citadel. That's kind of it. It must be a ruin of it, but look over there, guys. I'll show you in a sec. Therefore, ist a old helicopter. Very cool. See the moat here? I don't know what I was expecting, but it was more than this. After walking. Here we go from the other side. I think this is kind of all you can see. I'd love to know the history. It's probably quite interesting to know the history, but if you look, is that a convention center? But it looks something right to the side of it here.